In this video, I'm going to show you a few common ways that we see people secure the canopies and sunshades that they build with EMT conduit and maker pipe connectors. I've got a few different solutions here that I'm excited to show you. If you have no idea what I'm talking about with EMT conduit, this is a steel tubing you can get off the shelf at different hardware home improvement stores, and we make connectors that allow you to build things. And a lot of people will build, different awnings and canopies, shades over their garden or their patios. And a common question that we get is, how do you secure materials to that awesome frame that you've put together? And so here are a few of the common ways that we see that done. And of course, really obvious, really simple is just using some of the classic nylon zip ties, just secure around, pull it tight around the conduit. You can also use the metal zip ties that we covered on the channel a while back. These work really well, and these are good for outdoor projects because they're stainless steel and hold up a little bit better than the nylon ones. But same idea, just go through the grommet. And if you don't have grommets in your material, I'll cover that towards the end. But first we're just going through the really obvious ones with grommets for materials. And in addition to that, another one that we love, this is probably my favorite out of all of the solutions that we're going to talk about. These are bungee hooks, and then there's also a variant of bungee, they're ball bungees. And these are really awesome and work really well, where essentially you could do this in a number of ways. You could do the conduit through there. Imagine you've got your full frame, and you pull this tight, hook it on the grommet, pull that tight to secure the material or shade in your build. You could also go around this and go through it just like that, secure it, and then secure it to the grommet. There's a few different ways you could kind of secure those in place that work really well. And then the other variant, the ball bungee, is very similar, except it does have to go through the grommet just like that, and then the ball goes in the other end of the loop. And then once you actually pull this tight in your frame, it secures it in place there. And these are really cool because they're reusable. You can pop it off. You got a storm coming through. You want to take your shade on your deck down before you get a lot of wind. You can do that really easily. You just unhook that and take your shade down. So those are two really good options that we love recommending to people. Not that expensive. Get them. I think I got these at Harbor Freight whenever we built the movie projector screen, and they work really awesome. So that's something you can do. And now, like I said, all of these solutions are for materials with grommets, and you can buy sunshades, different canopies and things with grommets, but you might also run into materials that don't have any grommets, and you can actually add grommets. You can get a kit where you can add a hole and add grommets. It's actually not too complicated to do, but if you don't want to do that, you have other solutions. And we see a lot of people that will just put the conduit and put the material over top of it, and they'll use these cover clips, and these just snap over top of the empty conduit and the material all at once, and these have a nice strong fit, really holds it in place there, and works really well to secure materials that you don't have any grommets in. And then just to pull them off, I usually just kind of pull the material, and it kind of pops off there, as you can see, and then take it off because these are really tight and hold the material really well. I can even get it off, which is good because it's actually holding the material in place there. Or you can just slide it off just like that. So that works pretty well. And yeah, really showcasing how well this holds on. But that's another easy one that you can do if you don't have grommets. But what I think is really cool is, you can add metal grommets like in this material, but you can also use these. I think these are called alligator clips. I got these at Lowe's, I believe. And essentially they just have these claws here and this knob that tightens the material down. So essentially you'll just open this up and then slide your fabric or material into it, and then tighten this knob really good until it secures on your material, just like that. I'm sure you can get it tighter. As you can see, it's got a really strong grip on there. But then you have this mounting point, so then any of the solutions that we talked about earlier in the video, like the bungee hooks or the ball bungees or zip ties, you could take advantage of this, this new mounting point that you got, and I think it's pretty cool. And something I just thought of, it's kind of a bonus for you. You could take advantage of this hole and maybe use some threaded pipe inserts. I don't even know if that's useful, but something that just came in my head just now. But there's a lot of different solutions for securing materials to your frames, and these all work great, and I think will work well for your build. So hopefully you found some of these useful and can use them in your projects. If you did, let us know down in the comments. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one.